What are the drawbacks if we create objects or fields using schema builder?
And it doesn't show the tab option.
Okay, if we create fields,
Only required will display on page layout.
Yeah.
what are the benefits if, by when we create fields and objects using schema builder?
We can add easily by dragging out.
Okay, in which scenario we will create? What is the benefit to create fields using schema builder? To save time, right? There are a lot of fields in real time. Quickly you can create fields in schema builder. If you take object manager, it takes time. You have to fill how many screens in object manager to create field? How many screens we get in object manager?
4.
If we create through using schema builder, how many screens we get to create field?
One screen.
One screen.
Which one is faster?
Schema builder.
Is faster.
Yeah. So if you want to create more number of fields, you have to use schema builder. When we create fields using schema builder, we cannot see the optional fields. Whatever the mandatory fields are there, those will be visible immediately when we go to edit page, edit mode or detailed mode. What is edit mode and what is detailed mode? What is edit mode? What is edit mode and what is detailed mode? Did you observe any time edit mode or detailed mode? What is the difference between edit mode and detailed mode? What is this mode?
Detailed.
This is details, right? It is showing all record details. Now, if I want to edit this record, how to edit? Now I have opened this record. Now, if I want to edit this record, how we can do?
Click on edit, sir.
This is edit mode, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the two modes in Salesforce for record. If you want to do something on record, there are two modes. One is edit mode, second one is detailed mode. Now I am going to accounts, all accounts. So this one I am opening. Now this is in detailed mode or edit mode. Now this is detailed mode or edit mode.
Detail mode.
It is detailed. See, if you click on edit, see, check account edit. Every page layout contains detailed mode and edit mode. In this, whatever you are seeing, this is a page layout. What you are observing here? In the edit mode, what you are seeing? To enter fields, right? In the edit mode, you are seeing these records, these fields, right? These fields are in editable format. Now I am saving this record. it is moving to detailed mode. In the detailed mode, what you can see here? See this? Contacts,
Related objects.
cases, open activities, activity history, notes and attachments, partners.
Everything, sir.
All these are related to this account. In the detailed mode, you can see all related lists. These are all related lists which are related to this account. This account having contact. This account having a contact. Who is contact? This is what? What is this? This is what?
Account name.
Account means, is it a company name or person name?
It's a
Company.
It can be
name
either
and
company name or person name, but here it is a company name. For this
Yes.
company, contact person will be there, right?
yes, there will be a contact.
Contact. It has some opportunity. This account has some opportunity. That opportunity stage we have seen. What are the different stages for opportunities? I have said to create 5 opportunities. There I said to write what are the different stages in opportunities.
Prospect. Hot, cold.
Stages. Rating, hot, cold, warm. Stages. Anyone remember the stages?
Working in progress. Like
See this. Prospecting, qualification, needs analysis, value proposition. These are very important to explain your project. This is called consulting concept. Whenever you go for interviews, they will ask about your project. If you have good knowledge on this, then you can easily explain your project. People will face problem while explaining the project. They will ask me, how you will explain this project? If you have knowledge on all these things, that's why we have focused on very specially on these things. If you keep resume on Sales Cloud, they will ask what are the different stages in opportunities, how you are dealing with that. Swapna will explain each and everything, but we have to remember what are the different stages. And every question you have to read every day till Swapna comes. If you don't read and if you don't remember, terminology is difficult. These are preparatory sessions for her questions. So please read well. Otherwise, it will be a problem. Every day you have to clear same day questions and answers, and you have to remember. So these are the different stages it is doing. Cases are there related to this account. Activities, activity history, notes and attachment, all these are there. So how these are coming here? How we are able to see this? Because of page layout. Because of page layout. Each page layout contains 2 modes. Edit mode, or we call edit page, or edit layout. Detailed mode, detailed page, or detailed layout. These are called like this. In edit mode, fields open in editable format. Edit mode is open to create new record or edit record. If you want to create new record as well, it will open in edit mode only. If you click on new, see account edit, it is coming. If you click on this already existing record, this is also edit mode. To create a new record and to edit existing record, both are open in edit format. This is edit page or edit layout or edit mode. Detailed mode or detailed layout, detailed page. Once the record is created, edited, and saved, Salesforce is redirected to detailed page of the record, which shows record details and related list child records. Now, once you save this, it opened in detail mode. It contains all child records. Parent and child in the next session we will get after page layouts. This is the parent record and the contacts related to this are child records. How you can see relationships? Did you observe any time relationships? Where you can see relationships? Did you observe in schema builder? If you go to schema builder,
The fields and relationships.
schema builder, that is in account object manager. In the schema builder, now here what it is showing? There is a here, if you go to accounts, go to any account, it is showing some list contacts. It is showing why it is showing contacts here, why it is showing opportunities, why it is showing cases here. What is the reason? Salesforce by default, they have defined relationship between these objects, between account object and case contacts object, accounts and opportunities, accounts and cases. Between these objects, there is a relationship. Now clear all. Place account object. Then how we can make it on top? It is there. Account object is here. Now I want to see contacts. Quick find contacts. Auto layout. See, there is relationship between account and contact or not. How we can say this blue line? See, this blue line is lookup relationship. There is relationship between account and contact objects. That's why it is showing there. Now opportunities also it is showing, right? Getting? Opportunities also it is showing here. Why opportunities are being shown? Because there is relationship between account and opportunities. See, between account and opportunity, there is relationship or not? And take cases as well. Case. See, between account and case, there is relationship or not? What kind of relationship is there between account and case? Check. Go there. Look up relationship from case to account. This is the line. Blue line is lookup relationship. So Salesforce already defined relationship between account and account to contact. There is relationship. And account to opportunities, there is relationship. If you think generally, there should be a relationship between these or not? There should be relationship or not? Account means what? Account means He is a customer, right?
Customer. Yeah.
Customer will have contact details or not?
Yes.
If he purchase some product, there will be opportunity or not?
Yes.
After purchasing the product, he will take service or not? For that, he need to create case or not?
Yes.
So, because there is logically relationship is defined. Salesforce has already done for us. We are just using this. Because of that, in the page layout is displaying. All this. Now we have defined positions. If you go to position record, how many fields we have created? How many fields we have created? How many we have created?
1, 2.
We have used how many data types?
19.
In that 19 data types, how many are standard and how many are custom?
5
Uh,
5 are
standard.
custom.
Custom 18 and
18, one is standard.
One is
Other than 19,
So other four
how
are
many are there?
4, sir.
4.
19 plus 1, 18 plus 1 plus
18 plus 1 plus 4.
3 or
3.
4?
3.
4.
sir.
3.
18 plus 1 plus 3 or 4?
4.
4.
1,
Look up.
2, 3. And this one?
4.
4. And this is 5, right? 5 plus
Position.
18, 23 fields are there. Now, these fields, all fields are in the same line, right? See, these standard fields are in 2 lines, 2 columns. Observe, standard fields are in 2 columns. Getting?
Yes.
How many columns are there here? For this detail page, how many columns are there? How many columns are there? This one and this one, how many?
2.
This is 1, this is 2, right? 2 columns. 2 columns are there, right?
Yes.
So these 2 columns, it is showing by default, Salesforce is providing 2 columns. They are providing 2 columns. But how custom fields are arranged? In 1 column, right? By default, page layout is giving 2 columns. Standard fields are arranged in 2 columns, but custom fields, whatever we have created, those are not arranged in 2 columns. Entire fields came in 1 column. There are no sections divided. Now, how they want is the client wants in different way. How they want? Let us see. They want this into different sections. How they want is last date and time to apply and job posted. They want these 2 in 1 section. Dates. They want dates section. Next. Skills required, job title, role, and company website. they want in one section. Skills required, job title, they want job title in the top, role second, and they want like this. Company website, job details. They want this in one section. Password, they want to move top. Password, they want in contact person. Contact details. They want like this. And password also they want, number of positions also they want here in job details. Dates and time they want in one section. Government clearance. Verification section. How many sections they want? They want one verification section. This verification section they want at the end. Job details they want on the top. And this job title they want here. They want like this. This is one section. Job details section. Next, they want job title under this, job details, role, skills required, company websites. Next, they want dates and shift type. Next, they want contact details and verification section. Like this, they want. How many sections are there total? Here they want position ID. This is second section. This is third section. Fourth section. They want 4 sections here. They want divide like this. We can do it by using page layout. How to go to page layout? There are different ways to go to page layout. You can go from object manager. You know it, how to go. Go to object manager, go to that object, and you can select page layout. Otherwise, you can directly go from force.com menu. Here we have force.com menu. Edit layout you can click. It will go to page layout. If you go to object manager as well, same. Accounts. Setup. Object manager. You can go to this object, page layouts. For each and every object, there is separate page layout. you can click on this. Edit. We have created, by default, they have provided these layouts. Now, for position objects, you have created some object. For that object, we have created some different layouts in the last session. If you go like this as well through object manager, it will show same screen. Whatever screen it is showing here, it shows the same screen. Now here, if you go to position object, let us go to position object, position tab. There, open this record. Click on edit layout. How it is showing here? Everything it is showing only in one section. Now I want another section. How to do is just drop it here. Which section you want to give name? First one. First section. We want job details. This one. This is a section. You can create section like this. Either you want section header on detail page or edit page. In which one you want? Either you can select one or you can select any one of these. You know what is detail page and edit page. And how many columns you want to select? You want one column or two columns? Two columns I am selecting. Tab key order. Left to right or top to down. Which one you want to select? Three options. How many options it is displaying? One is section name. Second one is display section header on. Third one layout. Fourth one tab key order. What are the different section properties here? First, we have to create sections. In this section name, section properties we call. Section properties, section name. First one is section name. Then display section header on. Layout. How many options are available here? 4 options. Section name, display section header on, layout, and tab key order. Remember these 4. In this, we have different options. Detail page, edit page, column, 1 column, 2 column, tab key order. Everyone understood this? It is directly. No much difficulties in understanding. Now, when we do this, immediately what happens? It will create a section with 2 columns with tab key order left to right. Now it has created. Now I want to move fields into this section. I want to move these fields into this section. Which fields? Which fields? Position ID. Next. Position name. Where is position name? Or job title? Then After job title, skills role. Skills required. And company website. Position ID on the top. Next, role. Job title, skills required, company website. Done? In the same right? We can move the fields to each section. Now another section. What is the section we want? Which section client wants now? They want dates and shift time section. In this, they want 3 fields. Move this section down. Dates and time sections. Same I am keeping. And one more section, what they want? Understanding, getting everyone, what I am doing? Contact person details. Contact details. Same I want to keep. One more section.
Verification.
Verification section. Like this, we can create different sections in the page layout, using page layout for the contact. Drop and down, drag and drop. Save. Which fields you want in each section? Date and time. Job posted. Last date and time to apply. And one more field. What is that? Password.
Password will come in contact details.
Dates and time. Shift time. Where is shift time?
First,
Next, in contact details, contact person email, contact person mobile, email, and password.
password in verification section or
Password here we have given. Government clearance required. Where is that? In verification section. Number of positions. So owner, this is the information, system information. This is header visible on edit only. If you want to drop this, you can drop this position on here. If you want to created by last modify as well, if you want to move, you can move. Created by last modify. You can arrange the fields in required order in the sections. Save. Now see, it is arranged in different sections in different 2 columns, right? In whatever the way we want to arrange fields, you can arrange. This is how you can play with sections. So this is done. Till these 4 points, it is done. 3 points. Next, you have placed required fields in the section. Place the fields in sections. In sections. can move fields from one section to other section. It is also done. We can make the fields required or read only. Now I want to make some fields required. What are the required fields here? Which one is required field here in this? Which one is optional? If you go to edit, you can see which one is required and which one is not required. All are required here. All fields are required. We have.
Yeah.
If I want to change this to required, if I want to change this to read only, from required to read only, how we can make? What is the difference between required and read only? What is the difference between required and read only?
Required means we must enter the value there, and read only means we cannot do any changes. Just we can read.
Now I am for government clearance. It is required or not required?
Required.
It is not required. It is optional field. If it is required, it will show red mark, right? See, red mark it is not showing. Even if I unchecked it, it is allowing me to save. I want to make this government field, clearance field required. Go here, edit layout. Properties. See this? When we make it required, read only required. Here it is showing required is disabled. Why it is disabled here? Why it is disabled?
We remove that required.
We remove.
We deselect that one.
We have created this field from schema builder or object manager.
Schema builder.
Now let us go to other field. This field. Click on settings. Can we make it read only or required? It is showing required. Why it is showing required? Observe difference. If you go to this one, it is showing required. Let us create one field here. One optional field we will create. I will go to object manager. Go to object manager, setup. Go to positions. Fields and relationships. Create new. I want to create some field, some text field or something. Next. Label. In the position, what fields are there? Account positions. Click new. These are the different fields. Which field we can create now? Tell me one field. Location, it is there. Location is not there. Let me create location. Location. Length from 20. I'm not remaining. I am not making it required. Already no, location is there. Location field is there. This position object. How to check that location is available or not? Fields and relationships. Location is available. Okay. Go to page layouts. Position layout. Understanding what I am doing? I am going to position layout. In this location is there. Just now we have created sections, but why it is not showing here? We have created different sections. It is not showing here.
You need to close and open the fresh one. Refresh.
Refresh, we have not done.
But the page was in edit mode.
Why it is not showing? Let us go to lightning and check what is happening. Go to application. In which application these positions are available? Click on new. It is showing here, right? When you go to that page layout here,
Bye, Daddy.
now here if you go and check, it is showing like this. Why it is showing like this here? I'm not getting why you have not. You have made change from post.com. Here it changed, but when you go to page layout option, it is not showing. When you go to edit page layout from here, you are getting right what I am trying to understand. We went from edit layout here. There, page layout option we have gone. Here it is everything we have set 3 sections. We have made 4 sections here. When you go here in the lightning, go to setup, go to object manager. Through that object manager, we are going to page layouts. position object. Page layouts I am going. Edit layout. Here it is not changed. Why it is not changed here? There you are in the same edit page layout, right? Observe this. What happened? Did you observe? What is happening here?
Front desk layout. Changes.
Permissions.
Go to position layout here. Go to position layout. Here when you go to position layout, it is showing same. Here you are in position layout. Which one we have changed? Front desk layout or position layout? Which one we have changed?
Position.
Check. Check this. Getting? Understood what happened?
Yes, can you explain?
Yeah.
When you go here, whatever the layouts available here, in that layouts, front desk layout we have changed,
Okay.
not position layout.
Okay.
Here same options it is giving. Go to front desk layout. In the front desk layout, we have divided into 4 sections, right? How many page layouts are there? How many we have created? How many page layouts we have created last time? How to see how many page layouts are there? If you go here, how many layouts it is showing? When these are created, when this is created, check. This is created when? 28/03/2023, 9:43 AM. This layout is created. This layout, when this layout got created? When this layout got created?
28.
Means it is on the day, but what time? That time it has created. Did you create any page layout or by default it got created?
I think this was by default, sir.
When?
At the time of creating the position object.
Yes. When you created position object, that time it got created. And these 3, when we have created? These 3, when we created? Check.
31st.
31st. And when we have modified this front desk layout?
Today.
See this? Everything it is showing, right? Now you go to object manager and check account page layouts. Check when they have created, when they got created.
6/3/23.
When this 6/3/23, when this 6/3/23 happened? What time this account created? This is the date and time. But when this account object got created for our org, when we created this account, when we created this account, this is account object is by default, right? When you create org, that time this account object get created for us or not?
Yes.
The
Yes.
same date when we have created org, when we have created license, when we created developer edition account, that time they have created this account object, right? When you create org, by default, they are creating objects for us to save data. They are creating object structure for us. In that object structure, they have created these 4 layouts are not by default. By default, they have created this, right?
Yes.
When you create custom object, how many layouts they are creating? How many page layouts they have created? How many page layouts Salesforce has created?
4.
For
4.
custom
4.
object, for custom object. For custom object.
Custom object also 4, I think.
How? Policies is one custom object. We will go and check policies. Understanding clearly.
Yes.
Page layouts. How many page layouts are there?
1.
This is custom object, right? Which we have created. At what time it got created? When we created object, that time it got created. Only one page layout, policy layout they have created. Salesforce has created. When we go to positions, it is showing 4. When first time when we create object, it has created only one page layout, position layout. On 28th, on 31st, I have created these page layouts. You have attended 31st day session, right? On Friday, you have attended session. 31st Friday. We have created these 3 layouts. Getting understanding?
Yes.
So now, in the page layouts, page layout assignment. When we click this, for the profile system admin, which layout I have? Administrator profile I have. Which layout has been assigned? Front desk layout, right? How I assigned it? I clicked on edit assignment. Now, for this administrator, if I change to position layout, I am changing to position layout. For system administrator, my profile is what? My profile is what? I have which
Your administrator profile.
system administrator profile I have. Now I will go to position object. What layout I will get now? What layout I will get? Which layout I will get now? If I click new, what happens? Do we see? Will we see sections? We have created 4 sections, right? 4 sections we have created, right?
Yes.
Now if I click on new, it will show 4 sections or 1 section. 4 sections or 1 section.
4.
4 or 1.
4.
4.
All of
One.
you. 1 who?
1. I think it's a custom.
1 who is saying 1.
Swati.
Okay, why Swati 1?
I think it's a custom layout.
Object.
here you have to understand some things. Now we have, by default, Salesforce has given position layout, right? They have given position layout. This is by default for position object. And we have created, how many we have created? Layouts. How many we have created?
4.
4.
4 or 3 we have created.
4.
We have created 3 layouts, right?
Yes.
What are those? Front desk.
Front, HR, and IT.
Front desk, IT, HR layout. HR. One more is IT. These 4 layouts are there, right? We have created 3 layouts. How you can see that layouts? Go here. IT, HR, front desk, position layout already there. Now, for us, for system administrator profile, which layout is available? System administrator
Front
profile contains which layout?
Front desk.
How we have done it? Front desk layout, which having which layout now? Clear? Anyone? Which layout front desk layout have?
The administrator.
Now we changed to position layout. Before it was front desk.
Before it has front desk. Now it has position
Position.
layout. Getting everyone is clear?
Yes.
Now, how many sections are there in front desk and how many sections are in position layout?
In front desk, we created 4 sections.
4.
Position, how many we have?
2.
Position, how many we have? In position layout, how many sections we have? It is by default we have got it. How many we have?
1.
How one?
Maybe
How one, Srivan? How two?
Default.
Standard objects are placed in 2 sections, right?
Okay, let us go to position layout. Position layout. I am going here.
Mhm.
How many sections are there? How many sections are there?
2.
4.
1.
One section.
administrator.
2 sections, right?
Yes.
Three sections. I am going to front desk layout. How many sections are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 we have created. 1, 2, 3. These are the different sections, right? So now we have created additional 4 sections for front desk layout. If you go to position object now, position tab, how many sections it will display? How many sections? How many sections it will display?
4.
3.
2 columns.
1. See how many it is displaying?
1.
This is what? This is which layout? Which layout is this? Edit layout, right? Edit mode, right?
Yeah.
Now I will go to this one. How many sections it will take? This is what?
Four.
How many sections are there?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3.
This one is related lists or sections. These are lists, right? Understand this. Now go to position layout. Where is that? Go to position layout. Compare this. In the position layout, this is the section related list. What are the related list available? See, open activities, activity history, notes and attachments. Open activities, activity history, notes and attachment. It is displaying or not? These are related lists. Open activities, activity history, notes and attachments. By default, all are displaying in one section. See this. These are what? These fields. Even though in the page layout it is displaying like this, these details they have just divided like system information, but it is displaying the one section, right?
Yes.
Getting? Even though in the page layout it is showing like this, it is displaying in only one section in the detailed mode. In edit layout, will this information will show created by, last modified by? Understanding what is edit layout and what is detailed layout?
Yes.
Sirisha?
Yeah, sir.
Did you observe the difference between edit layout and detailed layout?
Yeah, in detail layout, it is showing everything detailed, like child objects, everything it is
If
detailed.
I click on edit, will it show here created by, last modified by?
Not
Mm.
in this.
Not available, right?
Yes.
In the edit layout, we will not get created by, last modified by. How it will come? It is a system generated, right?
Yes.
So here system information they have given in different section. But when you go to detailed mode, those also coming in the single section, right? Now save. Where it will come? Created by, last modified by?
Bottom.
In the same section it will go. It will come, right?
Yeah.
Whatever the fields are available, when first time by default all fields come in the same section. There is no division for the custom object. One section and different related lists. How many related lists? 1, 2, 3. I want to write here. Now, differences between, by default, how many sections? By default, in edit layout, how many sections we are getting? In detail, how many sections we are getting by default? How many sections in edit mode by default? One section, right?
One.
In detail,
4.
4 or 1?
4.
In detail, 4.
4.
Sections.
Okay, 1.
Sections. Related list. In edit mode, related list will show. In
Not
edit mode, no, right? Not applicable. Related list, when it will show?
in detail,
How
3.
many it is showing?
3.
3.
Getting?
Yes.
If you go to standard object accounts, go to any account. How many sections it is showing? How many sections? How many sections? In detail, how many sections it is showing?
1.
1.
Only one, right?
Okay.
And here, how many related lists it is showing? 1, 2, 3,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7. 7 related lists, right?
Yes.
It is showing 7. For this is for custom object. This is for standard object. How many sections it is showing in edit mode? Account object. I am taking account object because it might be changed for different objects. For account, in edit mode, how many it will display? How many
4.
sections they have divided?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sections, right? By default, they have given like this. I want to make you to understand this. Nothing, no big logic in this. In detail, how many sections are there? If you click save, it will become detail, right? It will redirect to detail. How many sections it is displaying?
1. 2.
How many?
1. 1.
Only one section, right? It is just account detail.
Yes.
And related list in edit mode, related list will display. Will it display related list?
Not in edit.
In edit mode, it won't display related list. Even it is a custom object or standard object, it will not show related lists. In detail mode, how many related lists are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Getting right?
Yes.
So this is important for you to understand the terminology and concept, because you are going to create this by yourself. You are going to create your front end. All this is there now. You will create by yourself. Swapna will teach you. By that time you understand this concept. Okay, this related list is this. These sections are like this. So she will explain you how to create this button, how to create this section, how to place these fields. Now it is displaying automatically, right? For example, now if you go to this accounts, you are clicking new. How it is displaying this? How it is displaying this screen?
In different sections, sir.
Salesforce has given that facility to you, right?
That's right.
Now Swapna will tell how to create this page. As a system admin or developer, you have to create this page, right? You have to give this UI to end user or not. When I click new means I am doing this action. I am performing this as a client or end user. Getting this action, whatever I have performed, this action is by front end user, like end user or customer, client. This account, this one is by whom? This operation is done by whom?
End user.
End user.
Our client or end user or admin or developer. Who is doing this?
Like creation, sir, or entering details.
Now I am asking one question. Now, account to details. Account is a standard object, right?
Right.
This standard object, when you click new, you are going to create a new account, right?
Correct.
You are going to create a new account. How you are creating new account? From a lead, right?
Yes.
From a lead, you are converting. Lead, you are converting to account. Converting to account, right? This action is done by whom? Here three are there. End
Client.
user or customer. Client. Admin or developer.
The client will be doing this, sir.
This is done by whom? Client. We use this for testing purpose, right?
Right.
So now this facility, when client wants this screen, who has to create this screen? Who has to build this UI?
Admin.
Admin or developer.
You have to do it, right?
Yeah.
This UI part, this creation is used by client and admin. For client, for his business requirement, right? For his business. For admin and developer. For admin and developer. Why we create records?
To test, sir.
Test, right? Testing purpose, right? Understanding,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
I want to make sure everyone is understanding this. Reena, Swati,
Yes, sir.
Isha, Jabin, Mudasir, Bharat,
Yes, sir.
Silpa,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Vijay, Suraj, Srivan,
Yes.
everybody.
Yes.
You have to understand concepts very clearly. So, which one, what purpose we are doing, who is doing, why they are doing. Everything you have to understand. So now, to do this action, what you need? Need a UI, right?
Only. Yes.
This user interface should be created by whom?
Admin.
Admin or developer.
After this only, this is the step one. This is step two. But Salesforce, what they are doing by default, what they are providing? when you create object, by default, what they are doing? By
Creating a
default,
UI.
when you create object, by default, what Salesforce is doing?
It's giving you a UI.
What UI they are giving? What they are providing by default when you create an object?
Tab.
First one. Position __ C. What is it? Next. Next one is what they are providing?
Yeah.
Tab, right?
Yeah.
Tab. What tab they are providing?
Position.
Positions.
Positions, right?
Yes.
Next, what they are providing? Huh?
Field.
Field.
What?
Field.
Field they are providing?
No.
Next. Next. Page layout they are providing or not?
Yes.
Standard fields. What is business logic? Position __ C. What page layout they are providing?
Position layout.
What standard fields they are providing?
Record ID. Owner. Created by last 1.5. Record name.
Owner.
Created by last 1.5.
Getting everyone clear about this? Our entire course till now, whatever happened is moving around these 5 only. 15-day sessions are moving around this only. You know how to create object. How many screens we are getting? You know how to create tab. How many screens we are getting? Business logic we didn't go because it is a programming. Page layout we are playing. Standard fields. To create a field, what screens we are getting? Only this concept. To understand this, we are breaking our head from last 15 days. My enterprise is going for this 5 only. That's why I don't like Salesforce. To understand this 15 days, I am spending, I am telling some things. If you understand this 15-day sessions are not required. Okay, now from where to where we went, I don't know. Are you connecting what I am saying? Now,
Yes.
I am asking you, if I go to positions, how many sections we will get in the edit layout?
One section.
Why
You
one?
get one.
Why one?
Because it's a standard.
It's
And that's what Salesforce give us.
Did we assign? Did we make page layout assignment or not? By default, they are assigning one page layout, right?
That's right.
Which layout they have given?
edit layout.
Position layout. they have how many sections we will get now? How many sections? Huh? How many
One.
sections? Okay. Now I want 4 sections here. How to do?
Page layout.
Okay, page layout. Shall I go?
Edit.
Edit.
Post.com, edit layout.
Then
Then sections.
sections.
Drag and drop the sections.
We have already done that. Whether we have done it or not.
We already did. For position layout, we did. Front desk layout.
So
Is
now
that-
what to do now for that? I want to assign front desk layout to position tab. I want to assign front desk layout. How to go? We have done it. Did we change layout to position layout from front desk layout to position layout or not?
For system admin, we
Page layout.
changed.
Huh? Yes, YouTube it will be. Yes, Suraj. Now, how I went? How I went to assign edit page layout? How I went to assign layout for the object? How did I go?
Set up page layouts.
Set up
Account object.
Set up object manager, then positions.
Select the object and open page layout.
object manager.
Object manager, then position.
Position object.
Then here page layout.
Page layouts.
Page layout assignment.
Everybody clear about this? Now, which one I have to select?
System edited assignment.
System admin.
Profile I have to select. System administrator. Not this selection. System administrator. Select. Click on edit assignment. Click on edit assignment. Then select system administrator. Select system administrator. Then edit layout. Change this layout to which layout I have to select?
Front desk layout.
Which layout? Front desk
Front
layout.
desk layout.
If you do that front desk layout, save it. This will be assigned right now.
Yeah.
Check. Front desk layout is changed or not to system administrator profile.
Yes.
Now, if I go to position object, how many it will display? How many sections it will display now?
4.
Because why? Understood, right? You
We
have assigned
created.
a page layout which is having 4 sections. Getting now? Understood this concept or not?
Yes.
Yes.
If I save this and go to detailed mode section, how many sections it will display? See, these are by default 3 related lists are there, right? You have changed 4 sections from 1 section in detailed layout. Clear for everyone, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now everything I have covered here. Yeah. This is very simple concepts, but this functionality and everything you have to understand. How we are assigning page layout, how we are creating page layouts, how many layouts we have got. Because when you go for Swapna sections, our work is mainly to create UIs, not to create records, right? Our duty is this. Before going for this, we are understanding the concept. We are understanding the terminology. We are understanding the functionality, which clients expect, which Salesforce is giving for us. We have to facilitate this UI to the client. To do that configuration, in the configuration, whatever they have given, with page layout concept, we are doing with configuration. Client will say, I want some buttons here. Here in the page layout they have given. If you go to edit layout, they have given that options as well. Fields, buttons you can directly place. See, these buttons are there, right? Edit, sharing hierarchy, change record types, printable view, all these buttons they have provided. They will say, I want some button, add that button here. For that, what we have to do? Whatever the facility they have given, you can drag and drop. If they will say, I want a new button here, what you have to do? How many buttons they have provided? 1, 2, 3, 4, total 6 plus 10 buttons they have given. If you want, if client want 11th button, new one, what you have to do?
New, we can,
Customize.
You have to write code and facilitate that. That time, that button you have to add here, so that you can drag and drop. That you have to write Visual Force or Lightning code. If it is classic, you will write Visual Force code, right? If it is Lightning,
LWC.
Aura or LWC you will use. Before going to this coding, we are understanding initially how we can do it with configuration. Okay?
Yes.
Tomorrow we will continue because I have session at 11:30.